Hello guys, welcome back with a new video. I hope you are all well, and in this video I am going to show you most amazing and most addicted application that once you have installed in your iPhone you can't uninstall this application from your iPhone. So guys, this is very famous and this is very useful application. If you have a single camera iPhone in 2022, you can easily create the portrait mode in this application. You can check here. This is my iPhone 5s and I'm using in 2022, and because I like the performance and the size of the iPhone 5s on, you can check here. I'm using the S15 features on my iPhone 5s. So if you don't know how to get this feature, the video link is available in the description. You can easily get these features on older iPhones like the iPhone 5s and iPhone 6 in 2022. So you can check here. This is the application Focus. You can install this application in your iPhone on every iOS version, even on the iPhone 5s. You can check here, and this is so amazing. You can create portrait modes in this application by using the bokeh effect or blur DSLR blur bokeh effect. And you can see, if you don't know how to blur the video background, the video link is available in the description. You can easily know that how to blur the video background on iPhone with a single camera. So guys, go and watch that video so you can easily enjoy and get these blurry effect in the video. And first of all, I will show you this application. You can see, and click on the continue, and again click on the continue option, and again click on the start option. Now you can check here. This is the interface of this application, and you just need to pick up a photo which you create as a bokeh effect, or which you want to create a portrait mode on that photo, and you can easily blur the background on that image. I simply select this image, and you can check here. Is showing calculating depth of field. So wait for a while. This application automatically detect your background and apply amazing portrait mode or blurry effect to a photo. So guys, wait for a while. So guys, now you can check here. This photo is completely opened in this application, and you can check here. This is the interface of this application. You can check here. This application automatically detect my photo and apply blurry effect to my photo. You can check here. When you decrease the size, your blurry effect is disabled. When you increase the size of the aperture, you can check here, your portrait mode is ready. Now you can check here. You can adjust by on settings. You can also focus the object like this one. You can create focus on that object, and you can simply tap on that object. Your object will be in focus. And now you can increase or decrease the blur ratio, and you can see I have done this on my iPhone. You can see the background is completely blurred, and you can also increase the size of the blur ratio like this. So you can also change the aperture and shape, and you can also apply the vivid effect to your photo like this. So guys, after this you just need to click on this save button here and click on the save as copy, and you will see your photo start saved in your iPhone. Now you just need to open the Photos application here. Simply open the Photos application, and your photo is successfully saved in your Photos application. Now you can see the photo is completely turned into portrait mode, or the blurry background is completely applied on your image. So this is the way you can apply portrait mode on your images on single camera iPhones, even on the iPhone 5s and iPhone 6 models. So guys, this is the video. I hope you guys like this video. Please hit the like button, also subscribe the channel, also hit the bell icon so you can easily get the latest videos notifications from the channel. So guys, I will see you in the next one. So guys, thanks for watching.